In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Paramount Plus gift card. If you want a simple way to gift a subscription or set aside streaming credit for yourself, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish with no confusion. First, decide where you want to shop. You can buy online or in a physical store. Popular and convenient options include Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, and Target. If you prefer to see a card on a rack and pay at the register, head to a nearby store. If you'd rather buy from your phone or computer, open the retailer's website or app. Choosing a familiar retailer helps ensure a smooth checkout and easy customer support if you need it. Once you're on the retailer's site or inside the store, search for the product. On a website, use the search bar and type Paramount Plus Gift Card. In a store, look in the gift card aisle and scan for the Paramount Plus logo. Double-check that the listing is specifically for Paramount Plus and make sure it's being sold by the retailer or an authorized seller. Next, choose the format that fits your needs. A digital gift card is delivered by email as a code, making it fast and convenient when you need it right away. A physical card is a great choice if you want something to hand over as a present. You can buy it in-store or have it shipped to you. Keep in mind that digital delivery is usually instant, while physical cards involve either pickup or shipping time. Now pick the amount you want. Typical denominations include $25, $50, and $100. Select the value that matches your budget or the occasion. If you're unsure, consider the recipient's viewing habits and how long you'd like the credit to last. Add the gift card to your cart by clicking Buy or Add to Cart, then review your cart to confirm the quantity, format, and amount are correct. Proceed to checkout. For a digital card, you'll enter an email address for delivery. Make sure it's an inbox you can access. For a physical card, provide a shipping address or choose in-store pickup if available. Complete payment using the options the retailer supports, such as a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Some stores may have restrictions on discounts for gift cards, so be aware of that before you place the order. Finally, receive your card. Digital codes usually arrive within minutes. Check your inbox and spam folder. Physical cards will be shipped or made available for pickup. Keep the code private and save your receipt for your records.